U.S. Army awards XTech win to ABRIS DG unmanned support vehicle. ABRIS DG said its UNEX unmanned ground vehicle was selected as one of 5 winners in the XTech Edge Strike ground competition held in Vilseck, Germany, from March 3 to 13, 2026. The event, hosted by the 2nd Cavalry Regiment of the United States Army, brought together finalists competing to show how their robotic ground systems could perform in military field conditions. The result gives ABRIS DG, working through its U.S. partner Mountain Horse Solutions LLC, access to a 10-year contract on the Global Tactical Edge Acquisition Directorate marketplace. For the company, that means its UNEX ground drone has moved beyond a paper proposal and into a channel tied to future U.S. Army opportunities. The competition was designed to find unmanned ground vehicles that could handle hard, practical tasks rather than just look promising in concept form. That matters because armies are increasingly searching for robotic systems that can move supplies, support drone operations, and take on risky work in places where sending troops or manned vehicles would be harder or more dangerous. ABRIS DG said 170 companies originally submitted white papers for the competition. That number was later narrowed to 17 finalists invited to Vilseck for the live event. After 2 weeks of trials and demonstrations, UNEX was selected alongside 4 other winners. The company said the United States Army tested UNEX in several scenarios, including remote FPV drone deployment and towing Joint Light Tactical Vehicles or JLTVs. Those are not minor demonstration tasks. A vehicle able to launch drones forward and tow a military truck-sized platform is being judged on real utility, not just remote driving ability. ABRIS DG said UNEX drew attention from judges because of its mobility, amphibious design, payload capacity, and its ability to operate from a ground control station at extended distances. In simple terms, the vehicle was being measured on whether it could keep moving, keep carrying useful loads, and keep working while controlled from farther away than many smaller robotic systems can manage. The UNEX UGV is built for missions in dangerous areas and rough terrain. According to the company, the platform can carry payloads of up to 1,700 kilograms, is fully amphibious, uses electric drive, and can climb over obstacles up to 1 meter high. Those features point to a machine meant for more than warehouse-style hauling or short-range movement on roads. For military users, that combination opens the door to several roles. A ground drone with a heavy payload and amphibious mobility could carry ammunition, batteries, sensors, communications equipment, or other mission packages into exposed areas. It could also help transport drones or support systems to positions that are difficult to reach with ordinary vehicles. Its modular design is another part of the pitch. ABRIS DG said the vehicle can be fitted with different systems and payloads depending on what the mission requires. That matters because military buyers are no longer looking only for single-purpose robots. They want platforms that can be adapted for logistics, transport, recovery, surveillance support, or other battlefield needs without building a new vehicle for each task. The company also pointed to its ability to work with U.S. Army TK systems. Our unmatched mobility, partnered with interoperability with U.S. Army TK systems, sets us apart. Being selected by the U.S. Army enters ABRIS DG into a new and exciting era, said Joandre de Bruyne, CEO of ABRIS DG. That reference is important because compatibility with Army digital tools can be just as important as raw vehicle performance. A robot may move well, but it becomes much more useful if soldiers can connect it to the systems they already use for command, mapping, and battlefield awareness. ABRIS DG also used the announcement to thank the organizations involved in the event. We would like to thank our partners Mountain Horse Solutions LLC, XTech, GTAD, and the 2nd Cavalry Regiment for all of their support over the competition, said Andrew Hunter, Director of Business Development.